you guys, how are you?
Hello.
Woohoo, here we are. We got our box about, I don't know how many days ago, and we have been so busy.
We have been on the go doing different things.
And, so.
You know, so we're just barely, it's Sunday, we're barely getting to it.
Yeah, and our order isn't very big this time because last month our order was huge. And then when they had those, I forget how much percentage off those things were, we bought another box of things that we use, like the Tri-Ease and stuff like that. So
a special. So
yes,
we're just gonna get things that we normally use on a regular basis. Yeah. I wanted to get some extra LLV and Omega because I do share the Omega Plus with my mom, along with the PB Restore, and so I got an extra one of those. So anyway, I did get the LLV, which includes your 3 items: your Omegas, your Alphas, CRS, and the Micro Plus Biome, or VMZ. And so I got that, and then on top of that, of course, I reorder. I like to get this combo because it includes both the Pixie Sticks, which is the PB Assist Plus, and your PB Restore together. And in order to get that, you get the LLV, and you're able to use this as an add-on.
Yeah.
So I got that because I do use that every day, and I love to use the little Pixie Sticks in my shakes in the morning with my collagen, my Advantage. And then I was running low on the Deep Blue Polyphenol. This is kind of a staple for me, with all the different aches and pains that I have, sorenesses and stuff. It really comes in handy to have it. I use it anywhere from 2 to 3 times a day, and you take it internally. It's really good. And then I was able to get some Purify that I'm running low on. I use it as part of my deodorant protocol, and it's really good for putting it on your little dryer balls.
Yes.
Little, what do you call those little?
Yeah, dryer balls. Dryer balls
to kind of help with your drying a little bit. So
kind of refreshes things.
Yeah.
And I did not get a Purify because I have some, but one of the things that I like to use this for is, of course, it cleans the air in the house, which is wonderful.
Yeah, diffusing it.
Yeah, but I like to rub this on the bottom of my toes along with some Breathe for opening up these airways. It helps. It does help. Yeah. Okay, so like I said, I didn't order a lot, but somehow I got 2 of the Frankincense Boswellic acid. I think I put one in and then forgot and added a second one. But anyway, these are great, and I have been out of them for a long time, so I'm kind of glad that I ended up with 2 of them because these are amazing. Frankincense is one of the most amazing oils. It does so many things. And then with the addition of the Boswellic acid complex in there, just really takes it to the next level. It's good for achy stuff, and I mean, really you need to read up on it because it's amazing what these oils can do, and this one is really top notch.
It's frankincense, especially when you take it internally like this, inflammation, or it's an anti-inflammatory formula basically that you could use, and it's just so helpful for your body, all your organs and things like that.
Definitely good for your cells as well, so think about that one.
It goes to the cellular level.
Yep, and then I got the MetaPower Metabolic Blend Soft Gels. These really are great for me, this really helps to curb my cravings for carbs, because I like carbs.
Yeah.
But it really has helped me a lot, and I have to be consistent. I usually take 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon just to kind of help that. Also, it's got things in it that kind of help support your blood sugars.
Yes, that's kind of what I was going to mention. Is
yeah, whoops. then I also got the PB Assist sticks. I really like these. I use them pretty much every day unless I am so busy that I just forget, but I use them all the time.
Linda uses them different than I do.
And we've talked about that, and
she just pops them in.
I do. It's like a pixie stick, like when we were kids. Yeah, I love these, and it really helps that gut and that it's a probiotic and a pre and postbiotic. I don't even know what you call it, but anyway, there's that. And then I bought Douglas fir. I love this. I don't use it a lot, but I really like how grounding it is, and it really can help with generational baggage that we hang on to, which we all have. You know, things just kind of stick in those generations. But I love, love, love the smell of this. It just kind of goes, for me. You know,
it's
it really
refreshing.
Does. It's so grounding.
You know, Douglas fir is just really good for kind of like for deodorant too.
Yeah.
And it's really good to diffuse. It gives a really, really nice flavor. Kind of, woodsy?
Yeah, very, very. And, you know, a lot of people, you've probably heard of people that go out to the woods and they hug a tree. Well, if you're not anywhere near a forest, grab this. It is good. I'm not kidding you. It's that grounding. And last thing that I got, well, kind of, was the Serenity stick. I love this. It's kind of like a deodorant, that kind of a solid thing. So it's like a deodorant, how that's, gosh, I can't even talk. But anyway, it's kind of like a deodorant stick, that consistency, that, that stuff. And this is the Serenity, and it is calming, and it can help you relax when you're stressed, when you're trying to go to sleep, when you're overwhelmed, just kind of chill out. And it has the valerian essential oil in it that doTERRA does not have that as an oil, but that valerian really takes the Serenity to the next level.
It's really, really
then
good.
The last thing that we'll talk about is the product of the month. When you have a rewards order of at least 125 PV, and you do that by the 15th of the month, you get a free product every month. And this month, it's a 5 ml free frankincense. That's amazing. That one's Leon's, because I have plenty of frankincense.
And I'm gonna take it with me when I go see my mom, because I've been doing a Symphony of the Cells anti-inflammatory protocol with her, and that frankincense is, it seems like in every situation, frankincense is always the first oil that you go to.
Yes.
So I'm going to take that and help replenish what we have up there. But that's it.
And then the last thing, because our order was 200 PV, which it doesn't have to be a rewards order, but 200 PV, you get a free Rose Touch oil.
Yeah, that was nice. I have a couple of them, so we're good.
Yeah, I love this. I use it pretty much every day. Sometimes I get a little bit anxious or whatever, and I'll use that. I'll put it on and whatnot, and it's really, really good to put over your heart.
That's what I was going to say.
Touche,
frankincense,
Frankincense. Yeah, these two are amazing.
Frankincense and rose oil around your heart every day.
It's really good.
It's good for you.
It's very good for you.
And I've shared that with my mom too.
Yeah, but you're not taking my rose.
No, I have my own rose.
Anyway, so like I said, it's not a huge order, but it's some of those basics that we use all the time. And then, like I said, now I have 2 of these, and that was an error, but I'm glad, because I've been out of these for a long time, so I won't need to order them again.
I'll be probably ordering some on the next one, because mine is getting kind of low.
These are amazing. They really are. And like I said, look it up and look at all the things that this really can do. So anyway, that's it. So you guys take care.
Have a great day, and thank you so much.
Have a great evening, and we'll see you next time. Bye, you guys.